Tika Maui, the fish of Maui, was the senior students at every school.
The North Island of New Zealand is known as Te Ika a Maui, for its shape resembles Maui's fabled catch. The giant fish was hauled up by the demigod while fishing one day with his brothers. The brothers were unhappy taking him, for Maui was known as a trickster. He rarely went fishing and only made this voyage because his sister-in-law berated him for laziness. In preparation for the expedition, Maui went to the burial cave of his grandmother and stole her jawbone to make a magic hook. Then he secreted himself under some mats aboard his brother's canoe. Once at sea, over the fishing ground, he revealed himself and asked his brothers for a piece of bait. When they refused, Maui blooded his nose and smeared it all over the jawbone hook, so he too could fish. Almost immediately he got a bite, a huge down-pulling bite. Maui pulled while his brothers paddled the canoe to help lift the fish from the bottom. When it finally surfaced, the fish of Maui was as large as the land. As the giant fish lay on the surface, the brothers argued what to do with it. Maui believed that he should seek a priest to bless such a bounteous catch, and departed. His brothers were impatient, however, and jumped aboard the giant fish, hacking at its flesh. The creature writhed and twisted, its skin racked and buckled, forming mountains and ravens. By the time Maui and the priest returned, its flesh had become soil and rock. The fish was now an island. The outline of the island still resembles the huge skate which Maui originally raised, hence its Maori name, Te Ika a Maui, meaning the fish of Maui. The features of the fish may still be traced quite easily on a map of the North Island. In the south, at Wellington, the great harbour of Tara resembles its mouth. Lake Wairarapa is the eye. The fins of the fish protrude on either side of the island. At Taranaki and East Cape, the tail of the fish is the long thin land of the far north. Maui's hook can also still be seen as a jawbone of cliffs jutting into Hawke's Bay and Cape Kidnappers. The South Island, for its part, is seen by some of Maui's canoe, with Stewart Island as the anchor stone. The people of the South Island have a different story, however, for the origin of the island is at and its main ranges.